Hi, I'm Sumit Das, founder and CEO of Bikozee Ecotech Private Limited.
Hi, I'm Doyel Poddar, co-founder of Bikozee Ecotech Private Limited.
Even though the company was started in 2021, they have been thinking about the idea for past many years. Bikozee also won a grant of 5 lakh rupees in the NERES 1.0 summit organized by the Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship.
We completed our schooling from Little Flower and I did my engineering from Visvesvaraya Technical University and my masters in electronics from Rajiv Gandhi University.
And I did my graduation from NERES Law College.
I've been always interested in the entrepreneurship ecosystem and how it is developing in India. I have tried several businesses in education sector as well as in the sales sector. Finally, we started Bikozee with a vision to help the transportation segment shift towards electric mobility. It is a very immediate and urgent need to address the climate change that we are going to face in the coming years. And with the development in the electric mobility segment, we have tried to work on the logistics and the transportation. We are basically offering two types of services. One is we offer last mile logistics solutions to small businesses to help them reach out to their customers offering home delivery services. We also provide transportation to office goers as corporate bike taxi services.
We faced a lot of problems in this business regarding recruiting manpowers and procuring electric vehicles. So we started recruiting from economically marginalized communities, training them and giving them with electric vehicles and onboarding them on field as professional delivery executives.
We saw the huge opportunity in the last mile logistics segment and the electric mobility segment, and we started by reaching out to potential customers to see if the market exists. Once we started studying the market, we got very valuable feedbacks from the customers and we developed the business model as per the needs of the market. We started doing it as a part-time activity to study how the market operates and how we can develop it as a sustainable business model. Eventually, we started applying for various programs and schemes given by the government sector, which helped us to set up the initial capital that is required to start the business. This helped us study and get into the market and verify our idea and build it into a minimum viable product. Once the minimum viable product was developed, we started reaching out to customers and testing out the product that we have developed. Eventually, we started building a team around it and developing the necessary software and online mechanisms required. And once we started developing the solution, we understood the needs and we completed the MVP and started taking it onto the market in a bigger way.
We want to expand our services in Assam and various cities in Northeast, then whole pan India.
It is a golden period in India to come into the entrepreneurship ecosystem and start something of our own. We would like to encourage every budding entrepreneur to really focus hard into what they believe in. This is a very good time to start something of your own and not just be a job seeker but be a job creator, and that is going to help the economy and the entire ecosystem as a whole. We have very large faith in the upcoming entrepreneurship ecosystems in India, and we really believe that the next generation of the youth is really going to take up entrepreneurship as a full-time activity and as a full-time career choice. Thank you.
This case study video was presented to you by Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship to celebrate India completing 75 glorious years of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.